Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apache Kafka access with Confluent Cloud API keys, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Confluent Cloud account. Navigate to your cluster dashboard. On the left-hand menu, select the API keys section. Click the Create API Key button. Select the environment you want to use for the API key. Choose the relevant cluster for which you want to authorize access. Once selected, provide a name for the API key to help you identify it later. Click the Create button to generate your API key. Copy the API key and API secret provided. Store them securely, as you'll need them for authentication. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have Kafka installed and configured in your local environment. Set up your Kafka client configuration file. In this configuration file, input the bootstrap servers for your cluster. Add the following properties for authentication. Set sasl.jos.config to include your API key and secret. Specify the security.protocol as SASL_SSL. Define the sasl.mechanism as plain. Next, test your connection to the Kafka cluster. Run a simple producer or consumer command. Verify that messages can be sent and received successfully. If any issues arise, check your API key and secret for accuracy. Also, ensure your network settings allow access to Confluent Cloud. Once confirmed, you should have seamless access to your Kafka cluster. That concludes the authorization process using Confluent Cloud API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.